Okay, so yesterday I did a post and I basically just animated a simple, what would normally be just a simple image. I just animated it to add a little interest to it. And someone asked me how I did it. So I just thought it would be fun to do a quick little tutorial to show you exactly what it is that I did. So the one tool that I use all the time, every single day, is canva.com. It is free. They do have a pro version. The pro version gives you a few more things like more images, more fonts. You can schedule your posts and such. So I do think it's about 12, $15. It is well worth it if you create your own content. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I did. So this was the post and I just animated it. I think this is actually probably the animated post. So we'll actually just pull it up and show you what I did. And I'll show you, let's see, yep. And then I'll show you how to do it. So this is what I did. And then I added music to it inside of the actual platform. So now I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to create a social media post. We're going to create it for Instagram and we just want a simple square post. We're going to do blank. So these are the blank options. You do have some pre-made templates down here that you could easily use, but I'm just going to do a blank Instagram post. First thing I did was I added a color to this background. Very easily, you just click this little color thing up in the top and it gives you all sorts of things. Say you just wanted a simple blue background, you type in blue and it gives you a bunch of blue options. If you don't like that, or if you know the hex code, you can type the hex code in. We'll just go with that one. Okay. Now we want to add the image. I actually uploaded that. So you over on the left-hand side, there's a button that says uploads. You just upload it. You can upload your file. Here's the one that I want to use. Actually, we'll use this one. We're going to put it down here like this. We're going to edit this. Now the option, now I want to remove the background. Edit the option. We're going to remove background. So now it looks nice and natural-ish. And then we are going to add some text. We're going to do this one. There's lots of different pre-done ones, and this is 2 lines, but you could do a bunch of different things, and then you can change the way this looks. But we're going to say, oops, say here, we'll just do say hi. I don't necessarily love this font, but you could change the font. I'll do the font for both. Brush script. Yeah, like that one better. Actually, you got an undo button, undo. We'll just do it like that. We're going to change the color. We're going to go with a pink. I'm going to do pink here also. And now we want to do some elements. We want to add some lines to this. So let's go to some, see all. That's a pro version. So you can see what's free. I mean, obviously you see that I've been doing a lot. This is just recently used stuff, but let's just do squiggles. Squiggle. We'll just do squiggle. See all. Graphics. Let's do that. I'm gonna put this, we're gonna make this, we're gonna duplicate it because we're gonna put it in the both corners. Move this over here. to rotate this to make it where we like it. And we rotate this one, just kind of play around with it. It's kind of like desktop publishing for dummies. I don't really know much about design, to be quite honest, but we're going to add a pink here. So we're going to change that to pink. We got that pink already. There we go. We're going to do pink. Pink. Now it's not animated, but now we want to make this so you could just download this image. But now we're going to animate this. So let's just go over here. And the option here says animate. We're going to choose animate. I like simple and like that. But now if you wanted to do even more animations just for your text, you could do that as well. You can make your text pop. So, I mean, that's a lot. One thing you have to remember that when you do put it on Instagram or TikTok, a lot of times it might um, not show, like it might be a blank screen. So you want to make sure that you start the video with a solid screen. And basically what that's why I also download the JPEG. So that way you use that as the beginning part of the video. So then that's it. All you do is you can see what it looks like. You can go here, and that's what the video looks like. It's 5 seconds. That's it. So you're ready to download. We're going to close this. We're just going to click share and you download. You download it as the MP4. You could also just download it as a JPEG here. So that way it's all together. And that's really all there is to it. If you found this helpful and you want more videos like this, be sure to let me know like that one question that you wanted to ask and were afraid to, how to do something. Let me know. I may not know how to do it, but I'm definitely open to learning and figuring things out to help you grow your business online. And if you're looking for content help or how to put together your own marketing plan, let me know. That's what I do. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.